Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to continue our classes on quadratic equations. So in this class, we want to look at quadratic functions and graphs. So the quadratic function that we've been looking at since, we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is what we refer to as quadratic functions. Now we want to put this, when you have equation like expression like this, you want to represent it on a graph. That's what we want to learn in this video. So for the purpose of this class, these are the objectives that we want to achieve. So we want to learn how to construct a table of values. After construction of table of values, we want to use the table of values to plot points on the graph, that is to form a graph. And then the last one is we want to read and obtain some information, roots. Not only roots, we want to obtain some values from the graph we are plotted. Now, as I've said earlier on, this is a quadratic function, this is quadratic equation. Now, where this a here, the a we have here is not equal to what? 0. Now, when you plot this on a graph, you're going to have what we call parabola. These are the parabola graphs we're going to have. Now it's in this form or it's in this form. Now, if this a we have here is greater than 0, that it is positive, like when you have 2x squared plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. You see that the a here, the value of a here is greater than what? Greater than 1. So in that case, this is the type of graph we're going to have. That's what we're saying in essence. So this type of graph, you see these points, when the graph is coming, sloping down like this, coming down, to get a particular point that will change direction. So this point here, you can after this point, the graph starts increasing. So this point is what we call turning point, and which is also known as minimum value or least value of what? Y of this graph. I hope that is very clear. So note, don't forget, when a equals to 0, that the coefficient of x squared is greater than 0. This is the type of graph we're going to have. And this point, on this point, this line here, is the line of symmetry, and we call it axis of symmetry. What's line of symmetry or axis of symmetry? We have a plane shape and you fold it into two equal parts. The line you're going to form is what we refer to as line of symmetry. Just like you have this now, this paper, right? Here, if I should fold it into two equal parts this way, so the line I'm going to get here is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. So that is this one. And if the coefficient of x squared, which is a here, is less than 0. So that is the value is less than 0. For instance, you have minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 7 equal to 0. You know that the coefficient of x squared here is negative. It's less than 1. It's less than 0. A is less than 0. So in that case, what do you have? You're going to have this type of what? Graph. That's what we're saying here. So in this case, the turning point here, the graph is increasing, and after this, when the graph starts dropping, so that is the turning point, or we call it maximum or highest value of what? Y. So all these are the things we want to learn in this video. That is the line of axis, the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry, and so on and so forth. So we're going to start with how to construct a table of value. We're going to write some questions out now to see how we can construct a table of what? Value. Then we can now go into the details of what? Graph. So we move to graph. Next stage. Alright. So this is the example that we want to look at. So the example says copy and complete the table of values below for the function y equals to 2x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 5. So we use this value to find the value of what? Of y. So using the scale of this, we are going to do this on the board. So after I'll just use I'm just showing you the example of these ones. But what we're going to do first is to find the values of this, to fill this table, right? I'll show you how to do that. Then we now go to graph. We use graph paper to solve this, the rest of the problem. Solution to solve this. So there are two methods. We have two methods. So that you first of all, let me do it. Let me start from here. So solution. So is that you have this when the function is y equals to 2x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 5. So we now can say when x, the first x is minus 4, is minus 4. What would the value of y? That is, we are going to put minus 4 to replace x in this equation. So that means y will be equal to 2 into bracket minus 4 squared plus 3 into 3 over 2 times what? Minus 4 minus 5. So let's now solve this. So that means y will be equal to 2 minus 4 squared is what? 16. That is times 16 plus 3 over 2 times minus 4. This, we cancel this. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. That is 3 times minus 2 times minus 2, then minus 5. So we then have this is 32 plus 3, that's minus, this change to minus 6, then minus 5. So we have 32 minus 11. We subtract this, this is what? 21. So which means when x is minus 4, the value of y is what? 21. We put 21 here. Alright? Now move to the next one. So when x is minus 3, so y equals this. 2x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 5. So that is 2 into minus 3 squared plus 3 over 2 into minus 3. Alright? Then minus 5. So that means 2 times 9 here plus minus 9 over 2 minus 5. So this will give us 18. Minus this will give us minus 9 over 2 minus 5. So this will give us 18. Alright, so this is minus 4.5 minus 5. So that means 18 minus 9.5. So that is 7.5. No, 8.5. So this means the value of y was 8.5. How am I making sense? So move to the next one. So when x is equal to minus 2. Alright, so y equals 2x squared plus 3 over 2 into x minus 5. So we now put the value now. That will be 2 into minus 2 squared plus 3 over 2 into what? Minus 2 minus 5. Then 2 cancel 2. So this will give us 4 times 2. This is 8. And this is minus 3 minus 5. And this is 8 minus what? 8. X is equal to y equal to what? 0. So this means y equal to what? 0 here. I hope this is very clear. Okay, so let's move to the next one. When x is minus 1, so y equals to 2x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 5. So this will give us y equals to 2 into minus 1 squared plus 3 over 2 into minus 1 minus 5. So 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus minus times this will give us minus 3 over 2 minus 5. That is 2 minus 1.5 minus 5. So this will give us minus 4.5. That's minus 4.5. Alright, so to move to the next one. So the next one, this is minus 4.5. Alright, so 0. When x is 0, when x is equal to 0, y equals to the same thing, 2x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 5, which is 2 0, plus 3 over 2, everything 0, minus 5. This is 0, plus 0, minus 5. The answer is minus 5. So this will be what? Minus 5. Right? So when x is 1, so 1 equals to 2x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 5. So we put 2 into 1 squared plus 3 over 2 into 1 minus 5. So this will give us 2 plus 1.5 minus 5. So this is 3.5 minus 5, and this gives us minus 1.5. So this is minus 1.15. So we do the same thing when x is 2. When x is what? 2. When x is 2, so 1 equals to 2 into 2 squared plus 3 over 2 into 2 minus 5. These two cancel these two. So this is 4 times 2, that is 8, plus 3 minus 5. So this will give us 11 minus 5, and that gives us what? 6. So this will give us what? 6. I hope I'm making sense. So the last one, which is 3, let's solve it here. So let's have it here. So let's have it. So we have when x is equal to 3. So 1 equals to 2 into 3 squared plus 3 over 2 multiplied by 3 minus 5. So this will give us 2 times 9 plus 3 times 3, that's 9 over 2 minus 5. This will give us 18 plus 4.5 minus 5. So this will give us 18, this will give us 22.5 minus 5. And this will give us 20.5. So that is 17.5. So this gives us 17.5. So this what we get is 17.5. So one we have completed the table of value. This is what we refer to as table of value. And there is another method that we can also adopt to get this. So which I'm going to show you now before we go into the details of the graph. So let's look at that one now. This is the second method. The second method is that we are going to use all terms we have in this function to form a table like this. So the last column here will be the value we are looking at, which is y. So the first thing we have there is 2x squared. We have 2x squared here. And the next one is what? Plus 3 over 2x, right? While the last one is what? Minus 5. So the minus 5 will be written throughout minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So what we have here, we have minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, it remains 1. 3. So how that is very clear. So let's now see if we are going to have the same value here. So what we're going to do in that is this. So we substitute the value of x in this and this, and see and write the answer here. So this is minus 4. So x squared means minus 4 squared. So what we're going to do is this. This is 2 into brackets minus 4 squared. Minus 4 squared is 4 squared is 16. Then times 2 will give us what? 32. So this is going to give us 32. How that is clear? So that is the first thing. Then this one is 3 over 2 times minus 4. So we are replacing the x with this. So that means 2 here 1, 2 here was 2. So 3 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 6. I hope I'm making sense. So we then have 32 minus 6 minus 5. That is 32 minus 11. So which will give us what? 11, 1, 2. So which will give us 21. So what do we have here? 21. You can see confirm that. Then for the second one, so we do the same thing. That will be 2 times minus 3 squared, right? So minus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is what? 18. So this will give us what? 18. I hope I'm making sense. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is what? 18. So we go to the next one. 3 over 2 times 3 times minus 3. So this will give us minus 9 over 2. That is of minus 4.5. So let's now add this. 18. This and this will give us minus 9.5. Alright? So 18 minus 9.5. 18 minus 9.5 will give us what? 8.5. 8.5 for that. Then go to the next one. Move to the next one. So that is 2x squared, 2 times minus 2 squared, right? So this is 4 times 2. This will give us 8. Then 3 over 2 times minus 2. This cancels. This will give us minus 3, minus 3. So we have 8. This is 8. 8 minus 8, that gives 0, right? So we move to the next one, which is this. This for the first one, that is 2 into minus 1 squared, right? So that's minus 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2, alright? Then 3 over 2 times minus 1, that's minus 3 over 2. This will give us minus 1.5. So that is 2 minus 6.5. This is minus 4.5. Minus 4.5. Which is same with this one. So move to the next one. So this will give us, when you multiply 0 by this one, gives you 0. This also gives you 0, and minus 5. This will be minus 5, 0, 0. Alright? So this is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. This is 1. This will give you 1.5. Right? This is 3.5. 3.5 minus 5 will give us 1.5 minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. And that's what we have it, minus 1.5. So that is 3.5 minus 5, that's minus 1.5. Then next one, so 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2, that is 8. 2 squared times 2, that will be 3, this will be 3. So that means we have 8 plus 3, 11. 11 minus 5 will give us 6. This is 6, half 6 here. Then for the next one, for the last one, 3 squared, that is 9. 9 times 2, 18. Then this will be 9 over 2, which is 4.5. And this is minus 5. So this will give us 22.5 minus 5. So 22.5 minus 5 will give us 17.5. 22.5 minus 5 gives us 17.5. So we have confirmed that this is very, very correct. Is that clear? So that is that. So the next stage is now, we have learned 2 methods now on how to draw our table of value. So the next stage is for us to now go into plotting the graphs for this. So that is that. This class. So